All right, so the next thing that we are going to cover is how you're going to be either meeting with your students, offering office hours, or presenting a live lesson, or recording a live lesson and posting it to your classroom. So, as you can see here on the top, it says Meet link. So, say you have office hours, every Friday at 1 o'clock. So your students could come every Friday at 1 o'clock if they have any questions or they have any issues or they have a problem with their grade or anything like that. They could come here and they could click on this Meet. Okay, it'll take you to Google Meet and then it's saying getting ready. And as you can see, then I could be here waiting for any students to come in and join my classroom. Okay. So that is also how I could present my live lesson. I could be, having visuals and talking to my students in that sense. I could also, record myself if I don't feel too comfortable in the beginning presenting a live lesson, as I think most people or most teachers aren't that comfortable in the beginning presenting on a computer. I could post, I could record myself talking, fix anything if I need to, and I could post my lesson. So I'm going to post one that I have already recorded. Um, Hold on here. So I could go in and add a lesson. So my PE live lesson, okay? And then I could insert that. And the students could watch the lesson at any time that they have, sometimes if their parents are working and they have to be at a babysitter's or daycare, they could come back and watch that lesson when they have the time or when their parents could help them. Okay, so share with your class, please watch this lesson on fitness. I will be available for 2 hours after this lesson to meet if you have any questions. Okay, and then post. Okay, and that is how you either meet with your students or, record a lesson and then post it back for the students.